Hello, friends. Quick market update. It's over. What can I say? Um, we definitely nailed the top on Bitcoin. I've been screaming about this for a couple weeks straight now. I'm like, okay, I think 48, maybe 50K is the top. I do not think the ETF announcement is just going to cause price to just go vertical. We saw people just opening huge longs this day, expecting what, like some 10% green candle and just free money. Just didn't make any sense. Um, we've gone up 80% since we've known about this ETF approval. To me, it was already priced in. I thought it was going to be the top, and I do think the market, like I've been saying, is due for a big washout. It's due for a large correction here based on the weekly chart, right? So nailed all of that. Along with that analysis, rotated into Ethereum. Said, okay, BTC's bottoming. Took out the lows of the summer. I think that this can rally. How high? I don't know. But generally, when ETH BTC puts in a big old rally, look at this, right? This rally here, this was the top for the entire market. Bitcoin topped right here, like right here. And then Ethereum rallied like crazy, and then the whole market collapsed. So I was kind of playing, and I said that same April to May of 2021 situation here. So timed it well, right? Was out of Bitcoin, got into Ethereum, bought even more spot Ethereum, loaded up on Ethereum beta plays like OP, ARB, Lido, Unibot, a bunch of them, and caught basically the low of this ETH BTC move. And I was, flexing and bragging, being a little too braggadocious, clearly, but caught this entire move here, rode up Ethereum from, here to here, and was super stoked. And I kind of said, okay, Bitcoin's now topped. Hopefully it's going to be like April and we're going to see this sideways on Bitcoin now. And we're going to see Ethereum fucking go gangbusters here for at least a couple of weeks, right? 2-3 weeks, maybe a month at the most. And it was looking that way this morning. I woke up this morning, everything was mega green. I was up a ton. I was euphoric. I messaged my watch dealer like a retard. And then Bitcoin started nuking, and I definitely thought, Ethereum would hold up a little better than it did. It ate shit pretty hard as well. But looking at the daily, since the ETF announcement, we're down 15%, and then today's candle is a 11% red candle. So Ethereum ate it pretty hard too. Ethereum BTC still looks fine, right? I think we've got this 3-day breaker here. The 3-day candle now closed. Bullish market structure break. So really, I think if this is going to continue the party, we need this to hold here, right? We need this to hold this retest here. If it even comes back that far, or it could just go up from here. But that's what needs to happen. But Ethereum or Bitcoin looks cooked. Like if you go back to here, looks very similar, right? We swept the high. We broke the low, right? We came back, retested the breaker, puked. And during this leg, this is basically where Ethereum went 2x, right? So that's what I'm hoping happens here. Swept the high, right? Swept the high. Now we're breaking below. So I would like to see Bitcoin go sideways, grind up, maybe. But during this period of time, I'd like to see Ethereum go ballistic. And then everything dumps. And we see a bunch of these lows get wiped out. Maybe, 35K Bitcoin, something like that, 33K. But like on the monthly chart here, I think that the level of interest is probably here, the first one on the monthly, 35K. So we'll see. But I'm not giving up on the plan yet. I was a little bit aggressive with my ads today because I thought Ethereum, I thought this was the breakout. I got caught in the hype. I'm like, oh shit, like this is going to go. But as soon as it closed back within here, I should have got out. It literally closed back below this high, and then we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 straight hours of down. Right? So that should have been my sign to get out. At least when it failed to hold support here, should have been my sign to get out. So I'm hoping Ethereum up now, Bitcoin maybe sideways and up, and then the whole market collapses. So I'm still holding on to ARB. I'm in ARB longs here. As you guys know, I got filled on a bunch more on this move. I'm long OP as well. I'm still in Phil. And I'm still in my ETH. And I will keep you guys posted. But if we come up here and we reject and we look like shit, then maybe I'll reconsider. But for now, hoping that we still stick to my thesis. I definitely round tripped a bunch on, kind of leverage P&L. But the plan remains the same until proven otherwise. And maybe this is it. But I'm gonna stick with it a little longer. See if we can get, another leg on Ethereum. I would like, maybe it's not going to get to 3,400 like I had hoped, or 3,600, whatever I said, but maybe towards 3K, and then that's it, right? So we'll keep you guys posted. Talk to y'all in a bit.